the ultimate guide to Baku nightlife. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna Maria, the pharmacist with the suitcase. I'm your best travel companion because so far I've been to more than 40 countries and the majority of them all alone. So I can show you the beauties of the world, and thanks to my travel blogs you can have an idea about how to organize your next holidays somewhere in a new country. Being a pharmacist, I'm also able to give you some tips about how to take good care of your health while you will be far away from home. But now, let's jump into the video and let's discover together the nightlife of Baku, Azerbaijan. The nightlife of Baku has a lot to offer, and every single different person can easily find something to do. After having had a traditional meal, there's a lot you can experience, from late night shopping, as shops in Nizami Street are open until the morning, to underground parties. In town, there's plenty of hookah lounges, karaoke bars, speakeasy bars, and jazz bars. The three most famous ones are Baku Jazz Center, Le Chateau Music Bar, and the city's jazz bar. Personally, I decided to have a nighttime walking tour with my friends, to stop for a drink at a tea house built on the roof of a hammam, and then to go to the Baku Ferris wheel, also known as the Baku Eye or Devil's Wheel. It is located on Baku Boulevard in the Seaside National Park. The wheel was built by a Dutch company and it was opened by Azerbaijani President Ilham Aliyev on 10th March 2014. It is 60 meters tall and he has 30 enclosed cabins, each holding 8 people, except for 2 VIP cabinets for 4 people. It makes a complete turn in 30 to 40 minutes. The cabins of the Ferris wheel are equipped with air conditioners, which is a great thing considering the hot temperature of Baku. Once you are inside a cabinet and are going up, you have the opportunity to gaze the Baku Bay, the Flag Square, the Crystal Hall, Baku Flames, and the whole city. I highly recommend to come here. Talking about experiences, could I miss the Baku Eye? Nah, let's go. It's huge. It's really big. How can I be in Baku and not try the Baku Eye? Ticket 5 manat for a person older than 12 years old. Yeah, that's me. I'm in and I can't wait to go up.
Oh. Mamma. Mamma. Oh. No. Okay, maybe I didn't have a great idea staying alone in this thing. Oh. Wow. Wow. Bello. Mamma. Aiuto. Oh. Well, I like it. I truly like it. The flame towers. Che belle. Sono bellissime. Che grandi. Oh madonna, stiamo morendo. Also, this video came to its end. If you enjoyed watching it, leave a like. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to go soon to Baku and if you're going to live some of the experiences that I spoke to you about. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon because doing like that, you won't miss the new episodes. See you next Monday. Ciao!